go. There's the lime Mustang. The camera right now, you guys are like on the passenger seat and you're like, I hope the camera just doesn't fall. That's the only thing I don't want it to do. Everything else looks pretty solid. Yeah, but this is gonna be the first car meet. I didn't know there's car meets still during December. Like, sounds a little whack, but hopefully it's a good turnout. I want to like modify my car a little more so I have something to show off, because right now it doesn't look bad, like it's like OEM plus right now, but definitely can't go wrong with like a front lip, a little like wing lip. I want to get a louder exhaust. Right now I'm running Nameless Performance. It's an Axleback. I think it's 5-inch mufflers and 4-inch double wall tips. Like, you can definitely hear the car. It's definitely better than stock. I've never heard the car in stock. The car came with these mufflers. So, yeah, I feel like I definitely want to go louder. I want to hear that SUBIE rumble. And I like the Tome. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with it, my car being too loud, or at least for the first few months with like a new exhaust. And I like the Tome, but I've grown the quad tips on this car. I've grown with them, and they look so good. And so if I switch to a Tome single exit, I don't know. It's a little skeptical, because you're just gonna have one side that's just completely like empty. So either a Tome or ETS Extreme catback exhaust. They're like, those two options are the loudest you can go. So I definitely wanna get one of those exhausts. And if it gets too much for me, I'll probably go like something like maybe an R400, or the ETS Quiet Edition. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's quiet. Sitting on a tripod wrapped around the headrest pole. Not the greatest, I'll tell you that. It's a struggle. So I might buy like suction cups to attach to the window or something, because it definitely gives more stability. My buddy has a radar in the Mustang. He has a radar. I don't. I should probably invest in one, but probably that would have been a better idea during like Black Friday, because they are expensive. Oh my, like $400, $500, like jeez. I don't have that kind of money. Or to spend it on something else. So the problem with my car right now, there's no problems, but the issue is my car has a warranty because it's a Subaru and they're known for engine problems. Fingers crossed that doesn't happen. So it has a warranty unlike the powertrain, and so I don't want to avoid it, which means I can't put a tune on it. I definitely had to contact the company that provides the warranty for me and ask them what kind of modifications I could do to my car that won't avoid it, but definitely I think a tune is definitely going to avoid it. So I'm trying to find modifications that won't require a tune. I don't know if a blow-up valve requires a tune, because having a blow-up valve on this car sounds so freaking good. I've listened to a bunch of videos, like Chris Board. He had a nice blow-up valve installed. It sounds so good. Also, intake, can't go wrong with that. So many people have Red Bull livers and decals. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll probably see if I have the editing skills to do that, but I'll try to upload like a picture on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about, because they look so sick. And the only thing which doesn't make sense is my name is called SUBIE Monster, and so if I put a Red Bull decal, it doesn't really go with it, but I don't know. I like the Red Bull decals, and I'll probably install it because it looks sick. Yeah. And the theme of it is gonna be blueberry. Oh, why would you do that? He's my GPS. I need them green tail lights. I need to know where I'm going. Oh, there's a little tunnel. No, tunnel. No, tunnel. So, I already did a drive-by video. I haven't uploaded it yet because I think the sound, you can't really hear it. So I might do another one. Is there anyone here? Hopefully there is, because they posted this on Facebook, and if there's no one here, that's so like, oh there is. Oh, like, what do I expect? Oh my god, are you kidding me? There's actually no one. I thought this was a traffic. This is normal, regular traffic. We're still recording. I don't know what this sucks. You're kidding me, dude. Whoa. Dog, you have a stop sign. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? You have a stop sign. Oh, don't, dude. Oh, there's a cop. Oh, there's two cops. Oh my god. Did they shut it down? How is this gonna work? You're kidding me. How is there 40 cops here, bro? The thing, it started 30 minutes ago. what were these people doing for the thing to have been shut down already? This sucks. Well, I mean, you guys. Oh, who is this? Oh, hello. What's going on here? Oh. Huh. Let's see. This sucks. The one meet I thought it was actually gonna like. They posted it on Facebook, bro.
This is a dumb spot.
Yeah. One G80 and a Honda and another BMW. That's it. And then us.
Find it on Facebook.
Yeah.
What's the discussion?
We back. We on the move again. Oh, where's the cop going? So basically we were at the location and nothing was happening. And me and my friend, we were about to dip. And then all of a sudden, like a whole line of cars were starting to pull up. And so, yeah, and my friend changed his lights. So now it's like Joker vibe. It's kind of cool. And we parked with the whole line, kind of chilled, and then now we're on the move. Like, no one announced where we were going, so I guess we're just following the group. Yeah, I don't know. Probably me and my friend are just gonna cruise around with them. Are we going in a parking lot? Or brakes. No brakes. We're going in a gas station. This is great. How did we end up in a gas station? This is the type of stuff that I don't know what's filming, what's not filming. I also don't know if you guys are getting like a glare and I can't see. So why are we all just like marinating here? What the hell's going on? Oh, did this guy die or something? What the hell happened? Oh, he died. Oh, no. Ouch. I don't even know if I can park it. Fuck, dude, what the hell? Holy shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? So lucky, bro. I thought I had more time, like more distance. I always love these like gas station meets. They look, yeah. Yeah, I'll follow you. Okay, so basically, more people pulled up. It's a gas station meeting, or meet. I don't know what I'm supposed to talk about, but me and my friend want to dip. Like, okay, what the hell's going on? So I'm just gonna say I appreciate we hit 10K on. Oh my God, bro! This is what I'm talking about. These streets are horrible. Oh, where's my keys? Yeah, that's gonna be the video, guys. I'm hungry. And there's not much else to do. I hope the video is gonna turn out good because, yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely get a better setup for the camera. Yeah, there's a SUBIE. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys in another video.